welcome to my channel. My name is Dhruv Kailash. Today we will be discussing logistic regression using Keras. Logistic regression is one of the most popular machine learning algorithms used for classification. In logistic regression, we are going to predict probability which takes values between 0 and 1. In a classification problem, the target values are called labels. The dataset we are working with today is the employee attrition data. Retaining the best employees is an important factor for most organizations. To build this model, we will use the dataset available at Kaggle. We will import required libraries first, which are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, etc. Now we are importing our dataset and creating a pandas data frame. The dataset contains 1470 rows and 35 columns. The dataset has several numerical and categorical columns providing various information on employees, personal and employment details.
Feature attrition is what this machine learning problem is about. Here we are trying to predict the value of the feature attrition. We can see that this dataset is not having any missing values. Let us check the number of unique values in each column. We can drop employee number, employee count over 18, standard hours, which are not useful for our model building. Let us see the unique values in all categorical columns. We have got 7 categorical variables here. Attrition column has values yes and no. So I am using label encoder to convert attrition value to 0 and 1. From sklearn.preprocessing, import label encoder. Now we can check the data set once again. We can see that attrition column has the values 0 and 1. I am checking the value counts of attrition column. The dataset is imbalanced with the majority of observation are active employees. Let us plot a heat map to visualize the correlation between attrition and these factors. As shown above, performance rating, monthly rate, number of companies worked, distance from home are positively correlated to attrition. I am using label encoding to replace the categorical columns with 2 or less unique values. Also, I am creating dummy values for other categorical columns. Let us split the data into train and test data. We have class imbalance data set. So I am keeping stratify equal to y to maintain the same ratio as in the training dataset. When splitting the dataset, also I am using standard scaling here because feature scaling is important at implementing machine learning algorithm. We will be using Keras for building this classification model, so we need to import the Keras library. Here I am importing sequential and dense from Keras. We are going to build a sequential layer in which the output of one layer will be fed as the input of the next layer. Let us compile the model. Here optimizer is Adam, loss is binary cross entropy. Let us evaluate this model on test data. We have got an accuracy score of 82.54, which is a very good score.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye. Enjoy coding with me, Dhruv.